Ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune rwambiriirie gutacukia ikinya riri na njira ya gutabania Ndereti thukuru-ini wa secondary wa airitu wa Suswa, airitu makiheo kanya ga kwiiturura iguru rigie wohi wa nda gatagati-ini ka airitu a thukuru.
To enlighten our students on the precautions, on the sexual issues, and on how to take care of themselves.
The benefit that I've gained in this debate was that I should know how to equip myself as a girl.
The chances of getting teenage pregnancies and marrying off young girls to older men in the society will decline, as it has been a nature of this society.
Gitwe kia Ndereti ino ni kana mathomo megie wonani wa kimwiri ni mabatie guthomithanio thukuru-ini, kuona aciari aingi ni methemaga kwariria uhoro uyu na ciana ciao. Na haha arutwo aria mararehetwo hamwe kuma mathukuru matiganite maracangira. Ruhonge ruru rugite ruthurite kurehe Ndereti ino thukuru-ini uyu thutha wa kwamukira riboti ati kuri na namba nene ya arutwo mohete nda.
In Narok, we decided to choose Suswa girls because it was the most affected area of about 17 students. Trying to talk with the principal, she's also their mentor, basing on the conversation that we had with her.
Ndereti ta ino iria irarehete hamwe arutwo kuma thukuru-ini wa Olasit, St Christopher na Suswa igukorwo igitambio thukuru-ini ingi, ahariria makihoka ni gukorwo ikinora arutwo niguo kuhukia wohi wa nda gatagati-ini ka arutwo. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.